So that one's done. The one upstairs is done. This one just leads me back to the woman. Do I go back to her? Just kind of see what's happening.
Bring me my child.
Okay, she just still wants her child. Working on it. Let's go upstairs and look for something. I smashed this one. Okay, I've already done that one. Ah, Jesus! Okay. I am staring directly into this light. Okay, I'm not going in there. Still not going in there. Oh, can I break this one? No. Alright. Oh, did I get a tape? I think I got a tape. Hold on. This? That's candle. Didn't I get a tape? Or am I going crazy? Must be going crazy. Okay, there is no baby in there. That one might be downstairs. I think I might have to go through there, but I'm gonna run through here real quick. Huh? Dolores, you bitch. Jeez. Later. Later. If you don't like being called a bitch, then just don't be one. God. Okay. Here. What did this one lead to? Okay. So that's still a puzzle. Dolores, I want nothing to do with you. Okay, I've already done that one. This one goes upstairs. This one, I didn't know what to do. Am I supposed to break something? I'm going to drop my lighter. So I can be ready for anything. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh, so I need a crowbar to get the compass. Where am I gonna find a crowbar? Do I break this? Do I break this? Can I break this? No. Dolores, your paintings suck. Oh, jeez. Okay, no. Nope. Hell no. I supposed to hit this? No. Oh. Oh, I've never seen you. Ah! I don't... Are you gonna get up and kill me? Okay.
What took you so long, George? You know when tea time is, and yet you always find a way to be late. Were you in your study room again, scribbling nonsense and talking to your recorder?
Maybe?
I'm beginning to think you love your work more than me.
Definitely not, baby.
I know you'd tire of me. Oh, yes. I know you'd have me gone in a heartbeat if you could. It's just, I'm sorry. I'm just tired. Would you be a doll and fetch me some of my special tea? You know where it is. I'll
Of
wait
course.
here, George.
Okay.
See you soon, Dwayne.
Okay. I'll be right back, my love. Stop looking to the side. One of these days she's just gonna grab you and I'm gonna freak out. Dead. Hi, you were just upstairs. Or downstairs. That does not take me to that. Stop that. Why is this always closed? Stop it. Stand in the light for a second. Okay. I'm turning my back. I can use it right there. Look. Oh, there we go. Pull it down. I don't like the fact that she can just be anywhere. Okay, I have the tea box key. Specialty. Dolores, I'm not bothering you. I'm trying to help you, okay? Okay, my favorite little psychopath, I'm here. Going to bring you your special tea. No, stop that. Oh, I think I went the wrong way. Oh no, here we are. Okay. Thank you for wanting something I actually knew where it was. Now you're gonna murder me, aren't you? Whoa, she's gone. It contains hot water. Need both. Ugh, are you kidding me? Oh my god. I don't want to drop this. Winter White Earl Grey. Ah!
I knew it. I'll show you, you damned scoundrel, what bread you're worth.
What did you know? What did I do? I brought you your tea. I dropped my sledgehammer for you. Oh. How did you fit me in here? I am a grown-ass man. How did I fit in here? Okay. Come on. I dropped my sledgehammer for you. Ooh. Okay, okay. Thank you. Goodbye, Sledgy. Whoop. God, Dolores. I hate you so much. Okay, what does it do, though? Okay. Oh, is this for the park? I don't remember which mirror that is. I feel like I haven't been to the park in so long. And there's really no other mirrors. Ah! Why? I was in the light. What did I do? Oh, hey, look, there's fingerprints all over it. Oh, what did I do to deserve this? Good God. Ah! Run! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! I'm in broad daylight, dude. Jeez. Okay, it's saying go this way. Oh. I can go down here now. Towards this way. Okay, this is cemetery. And then I have to go that way. Flower. Huh? Behind me. Okay, I think I have to go up here and go over here. Okay. Thank you for that. What is that? Still need to put that toy on the thing. It won't budge. Well, can't I use the... I have a crowbar. Crowbars are pretty useful for things that won't budge. Ugh, do I have to find like 2 statues to put on there? Oh! The flower is something. Can I get the one that's back down here then? Can I do... Oh, I can. Do I have to collect all the flowers to be able to leave? I think I can also go back there, but I kind of want to see what was off to the side here. Oh. What did I do? What? Oh, I'm totally gonna die. Okay, not open. Okay. Well, I paid my respects to that ungrateful asshole. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you an ungrateful asshole. Halfshole? Or maybe I did. Oh. Oh. Is that her baby? I'm gonna die, aren't I? Come on, dude. You found a spaceship toy! Yay! I'm getting so many toys. Please don't be something that needs a sledgehammer. Oh. What's gonna happen? Hustling. Is that the light to hell?